Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see prevent data loss in the goal of information protection and data lifecycle management in Microsoft Purview. We all know that organization must protect the sensitive information and prevent its inadvertent disclosure to comply with business requirements and industry regulations. End users of the company don't always know what information they are permitted to share with others within the organization and outside of the organization. They may share sensitive data accidentally. The DLP or the data loss prevention solution detects sensitive content and helps prevent accidental oversharing in and outside the organization. First of all, the thing that is considered is data source. The source of the data sharing activity may impact your response. Some users, like members of finance department, might have a business need to share taxpayer information numbers, while members of a marketing department don't. Second is data destination. We can adjust this is the response based on if the sensitive information is shared with people inside your organization, outside your organization, or both. And then it's the amount shared. As an admin, we can determine a user sharing a single credit card number isn't as serious as user sharing 1,000 credit card numbers, right? So DLP, data loss prevention, allows us to respond differently to an oversharing incident based on the amount of data that is shared. And the exposure impact. We might do something as simple as prompt the user with a tooltip to educate them about sensitive data sharing when the impact of exposing that data is relatively low. Sharing of more sensitive information might result in an incident report being sent to admins. Sharing of the more sensitive data could result in blocking content sharing and the content being encrypted. So that's the thing that you can do when it comes to preventing data loss. Okay. Now we have to work on govern your data. Okay. So governing the data is about keeping what you need and deleting what you don't. So we have to meet the compliance requirements and reduce the overall risk landscape. Make a note of this word. Microsoft solutions for governing the data are data lifecycle management, and records management. Data lifecycle management, DLM. Don't confuse it with DLP, that's data loss prevention. Data lifecycle management manages your content lifecycle using solutions to import, store, and classify business critical data so you can keep what you need and delete what you do not. And then records management uses intelligent classification to automate and simplify the retention schedule for regulatory, legal, and business critical records in your organization. It is for that special set of content that needs to be immutable or cannot be changed. Now that is data lifecycle management and record management are covered in more depth in my upcoming videos. Now the key features or key themes of the Microsoft solution for governing the data would be streamlined administration. Centralized policy administration allows admin to incorporate data inside and outside Microsoft 365 to be managed by the same set of policies. We can create one policy and have it apply across multiple services. Other is automation at scale. The governance policies can be configured to work automatically and applied organization-wide if desired. For example, the system can be configured to delete obsolete or irrelevant data without user intervention, reducing the amount of data to govern. So that is automation at scale. Then there are tailored workflows. Retention policies are flexible, including the capability to create custom events, such as the departure of an employee to trigger the retention process, and the disposition review lets you name specific people per label to review and determine what should be done for each item reaching the end of its retention period. Okay, so this is how you know your data, you protect your data, you prevent data loss, and then you govern the data. After that, we'll work for classify data for protection and governance. We will see the data classification, classify data using sensitive information types, classify data using trainable classifiers, things like that. So I hope this video was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.